I just got these to replace my old Rambos, and there's the crampon, and it's actually quite small for boots, so I'll show you a couple of adjustments that I've made to accommodate a big boot. These are my boots. They have this sort of indent here and a plasticky indent there. So a couple of problems with it. So basically they should fit there, but there's quite a distance for them to fit there, and the crampon doesn't extend more than this. You can put it in these holes, but it still doesn't give enough, and that's pretty much what you can do. You can also extend this one further, and now it actually fits the boot, but the problem is that that makes this bend too wobbly. It will basically wobble on the boot, and also in the documentation it says you should have it here. It says a little warning symbol, which isn't the death symbol, but still not good. So what I did was to take my old Rambos here, and I took the front lever from that, and basically you can mount that instead of this one. This is nicely made, but it's too small. I also have the other problem I'll show you here, which is if I put the boot on, you see here the fit doesn't look very nice. It sort of has air gaps between the bracket and the boot. This doesn't look very solid. Probably is okay, but it looks like it fits another boot system. So I'd much rather have the more rounded bracket. So anyway, off with this one. Relatively easy. And on with this one. And I put it in the outer hole. Here we go. That's going to need a little bit of twist there. There we go. It also gives you the added metal bracket here, which I definitely like, unlike the clips only, so to speak. So now we have this fit here, and it should now fit. We'll take the, there you go. So now the shoe actually fits exactly there, and in the front you can now use this, what I find quite trustworthy system with the Petzl leash, and tighten it here. So you basically get the security of the Rambo binding. There you go. I like that a lot, and look at the snug fit. How sort of just sits exactly how you want it around the that little indent of the boot. So for me, this is a much better combination with that bracket and this crampon. So that way I also avoid getting the specialized bracket here for bigger boots. There you go.